Did you know that you can change the sound, the volume, and the duration of the jingling sound your machine makes? All you need to know is go into settings, then onto sounds, and here it gives you the different options. So volume, mine's on medium right now. The duration is on 10 seconds. This means it only does that jingling noise for 3 times. And the melody, you can also change it here. So let's have a little bit of a play with that. How cool is that? So go ahead and have a play.